Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'm going to show you a short video on this beautiful Triumph Bobber. Here we have a Triumph Bonneville Bobber. This is a 2017 bike on a 17 plate with 2 owners from new, just 2,533 miles and a full service history. This bike looks absolutely stunning. This is a custom paint scheme, which is best described as baby blue, possibly duck egg blue, but it looks absolutely stunning in the flesh, so to speak. You'll also notice that the rear mudguard has been removed. We do have the rear mudguard, although I can be honest and say this bike is not very likely to be ridden in the rain, so best to keep that stunning pared back look that the previous keeper has achieved. As you can see, the Triumph standard rear lights are underneath the seat, that's the indicators, and then there's also a side mount number plate. Rear tyre, absolutely, well, it's almost new to be honest. There's loads and loads of tread left on that one, and the condition of this bike can only be described as excellent. There's no corrosion on any of the spokes, no damage to the wheels or the exhausts. Standard exhaust on this one. All the Triumph engine cases, nice and shiny. A little bit of a sort of rub mark from someone's leg on the paint on the right hand side. Absolutely nothing to worry about though. Doesn't detract from this bike in any way. Downpipes, excellent condition there. No marks, no bluing. Those fake carburetors do it every time for me. Absolutely love these bikes. Actually owned one of these when they came out in 2017. Didn't look like this one though, I can tell you, with the stunning blue. Great fun to ride these bikes, absolute blast, loads of torque, plenty of power for a naked retro style bike, and just great fun all around. All the front of the bike absolutely tip-top order as well. Front mudguard, no marks, no dents, no damage. The bike does come with ABS and a couple of power modes as well. You've got road and rain mode on this bike. Bar end mirrors there as well, underslung, just looks really smart. The clock there is adjustable, goes up and down depending on the seat position, because the seat is also adjustable forwards and backwards and up and down, just to give you the right riding position, depending on whether you've got the flat bars, the clip-on bars or the high-rise bars that they make for this bike. Locking fuel cap, and there's your information button, just flicks you through your modes and your trip, and then the mode button there to take you from road and rain. Absolutely stunning motorcycle this. I'll just show you the wide shot of the left hand side there so you can get a good look at it. Absolutely, what a stunning bike that is. I really love this machine, I've got to be honest. Left hand exhaust, absolutely again no damage at all. No marks really on this bike at all, save for that slight mark on the side panel on the right hand side. What an absolutely stunning bike. As soon as the sun comes out, probably see yourself on this one, just nipping down to the shops, popping down to the cafe for a bacon butty. Absolutely superb. It really will draw a crowd. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also pleased to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful baby blue bobber, then please do get in touch either via the website or on the phone. We'll be happy to take your inquiry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.